Hi guys, my name is Maria. I'm investing in a stock market, cryptocurrency and some real estate. And this channel is my online diary. Welcome! I think everybody knows that Coinbase is the largest US cryptocurrency exchange, which generates massive revenue from transaction fees on its platform. It also makes money from things like margin fees, custodial services and a reward credit card program. The company's platform enables approximately 56 million retail users, more than 7,000 institutions, and 115,000 ecosystem partners to participate in the crypto economy. So Coinbase has announced plans to go public on April 14. Coinbase will be listed on the Nasdaq exchange under the ticker symbol COIN. And it will be a direct listing. It means it will not raise any new money, similar to approaches used by Palantir, Slack, and Spotify. So let's make a quick look. What does it mean direct listing and what's the difference between direct listing and IPO? Initial public offerings and direct listing are two methods for a company to raise capital by listing shares on a public exchange. While many companies choose to do an initial public offerings (IPO), in which new shares are created, underwritten and sold to the public, some companies choose a direct listing in which no new shares are created and only existing outstanding shares are sold with no underwrites involved. Coinbase has listed this huge number of shares of stock, but we don't know exactly how many will be available for sale. And the company has yet to reveal a proposed stock price, so of course nobody knows the exact price. But the investment bank D.A. Davidson raised Coinbase's share price target from $195 to $440 after seeing the company's Q1 results. So the 14th of April we will see, guys. Let me know down below in the comments what do you think about the price. I think 400 is quite possible. Also some news from Kraken, one more cryptocurrency exchange. Kraken is considering a stock market listing next year after the crypto exchange saw record Bitcoin trading volume in the first quarter of 2021. We are looking at being able to go public sometime next year. It would probably be a direct listing similar to Coinbase. My thoughts on this: crypto is here to stay and there is no way back. Cryptocurrencies and digital assets are going to be a permanent feature of banks and asset managers' investment portfolios for the foreseeable future. Goldman Sachs, top authority on this sector, has said, "We've crossed the line now," he told Financial News in a phone interview. The focus will become broader, and so there will just be different reasons for why you'd want to be involved with different cryptocurrencies because of the underlying technology that's coming. I absolutely agree with this guy. And let me know what do you think. I wish you a good day. Don't forget to join me in my $1 million journey and support my growing channel. Take care, stay safe, bye!